There is a Real Nepal.
My friend live there in California. Huh? Kathmandu Darbar Square. There are many kinds of temples. So Kumari is one living goddess. God, in the Bhimsen. Goddess use animals. That is a tiger. Shiva in the bulls. Bulls. Bulls, yeah. In the Ganesh. Yeah. Ganesh is also dangerous goddess, Yeah. Kali is the female goddess. Yeah. And Shiva is the male. Yeah. But there is no internet, no communication. Oh, yeah. No ATM. Party. Yeah. That's my best place. It is. Nice to meet you, brother. Monkey Temple. You know Monkey Temple? Yeah. That is, one is the stupa temples. This time in the Nepal ceremony, and he gives some food, sacred animals, You've been
I love the people. I mean, I've met so many good people here. Yeah. Also, jungle too.
Jungle and the forest,
Devastation from the 2015 earthquake. Chickens living in the rubble.
East of Kathmandu, somewhere in Nepal.
Tiger?
Yeah, we have.
Oh, wow. Have you seen a tiger up here?
Yes. Few times, tiger take our horse.
Take your horse?
Horse.
Oh, no.
Sometimes dog. Dog as well. Yeah, we have a cheetah.
Cheetah.
American tourist from Alaska.
From Alaska. Yep.
Cool.
Thank you.
Well, all right. Wow, thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye. Yes.
There is a Real Nepal.
The real Nepal?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Real Nepal is Kathmandu.
Yeah, it's not real, huh?
Yeah,
this is the real Nepal.
Yeah.
That's a different village.
Yeah. Different name. District is Kabra district. A village name is different name. This is Mani Gaon. This is Purano Gaon. Different name.
Yeah, you like my bells?
USA?
Okay, write your name.
Fill this out. 5,000?
Yeah.
Okay. How does it work?
You don't know.
Okay, I'll get out of the way. I don't know. It's the cop. Oh, hello. Oh! Traffic jam. Oh!
expensive in Nepal.
Many expenses.
Yes, but antique collection problem.
Hey, puppy.
Okay, I'm lost. Where's my hotel?
Oh, is that stone? Did you make this? Puppy. Good morning, Kathmandu. Here we go. Garbage.